good weather come back, and then we start messing with the cars again. So Monica is about to go to Washington State. My tires, I think I sold it. Guy will come this weekend and get it. And now it's time to replace the battery of this big boy. So I'm getting the battery, new battery for my Infiniti, and putting this battery on at Monica. So let's get a quick video of how to replace a battery on the G37. Alright, so let's remove this little cover. I have some extra stuff there I added for my neon. It's just a blue light, it's not quite a neon. Okay. What I need now is I need to remove all of those here, which are those two. Alright. There's a little tool for that. I have it, but like from the time I get inside, get the tool and all that stuff, I have like a bag full of those here. So if I break them, I'm not very worried. But you should not do this. You should use the proper little, either a thin screwdriver would work. Just like first half. You pull here in the middle. So one more of those. And there you go. Put this in a safe place. That's that. Just don't let the negative touch the positive. Oh, at this point is all off. So nothing has power, so it doesn't quite matter. All right. No easy way to take the battery out of here. All right. This is actually much easier because it had the this thing to hold it in place. One down. Two down. And three down. Awesome. Let's just start the car and see if everything is working. That stuff. And ready? Boom. Ooh, like a champ. All right. All my stations are probably gone. Actually. Huh. All right. So we just replaced the battery on the Infiniti G37. Now I'm going to take this battery out of here and put that old battery in there, which is better, and that's it. Job done. Thanks for watching.